jazz, the smooth jazz jams. Yeah, pretty much. Because I could play these like in the groove. $50 time up. Got a great. Pretty much like a prop firm.
Yeah, that's the shit my boys and them trade.
Yeah, boy. That's
I mean,
that's where it's at. That's where
Good
it's at.
morning, good morning, good morning, everyone.
Morning,
Good
Dwayne.
morning, G. Good morning, Steve. I hear Jordan in the background over there with you,
good morning,
G.
good
Good
morning.
morning, Jordan. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing today so far?
All right, all right. Ready to make some man. Look, looking at the market right now, it's like it's shooting up.
Are we ready to make money today?
Yes, yes, I am.
I'm gonna
The
trade the
market,
Nasdaq.
if the market goes up, we're going to make money. If the market goes down, we're going to make money. That's the best part about this
So
segment.
regardless, up or down, we gonna make it.
We going to make it. That's all that matters.
I'm gonna trade the Nasdaq first day today, man. Let me see how it works for me.
Welcome. Welcome to the party, Jordan. Welcome to the party. Everyone on YouTube, welcome to the stream. The voices you're hearing in the background, no, I'm not talking to myself in my office. They are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society's trading community, helping new traders, seasoned traders become profitable in the markets consistently. With that being said, be safe in the markets. And this is for entertainment purposes only. I got to use that disclaimer so you don't blame me.
Hmm.
With that being said, let me pull my chart up. Let me get our smooth city music playing too. Just just so we can get the vibe right for today. Let's see where we're at in the market. All right. Looking at these charts here. So right now, for me personally, if we break to the 200 level, um, we're gonna probably get down to that 150 very, very quickly. Just saying, we are below the VWAP, above the 21 EMA, so we're in between the 21 EMA and that VWAP. The lows from the overnight session, we'll say 208s for the lows, and then the highs all the way up there at 369. So we came down far from there, below the close from yesterday, which is at 319. If you're putting that on your chart, close from yesterday. But other than that, it's gonna be a good day. Market's still coming down. We popped up a little bit yesterday after we got off the stream, but we do have a pivot point. Looking at that now here, we do have a pivot point up at what level's that? 279. 279 for a pivot point above us. Then we also have a pivot point below us, all the way down at the 74 level. Yes, the 74 level. Not trying to toot my own horn, but I told you guys last week, the last time we hit all-time highs, we dropped 1,000 points. We are currently less than 200. Well, let's say 300 points to make that 1,000 a reality. So, just saying, market repeats itself. That's why we always somewhat know what the market's going to do, try to do. But with that being said, stay safe. We got 5 more minutes before the market opens. Yeah, I'm excited to be here. Trading some more funded accounts today. Only trading about 6 funded accounts today, but we're going to get it done. G, are you excited to be trading that fresh funded account today?
Yes, yes, I am.
I'm excited for you. I'm excited for you.
Yeah.
Is the music too loud?
No, it's fine. It's fine. No issues.
It's just pumping on my end.
No, I hear it. It's actually good. Like
Okay.
everything's like it's not distorted, anything like that. Really, real clear.
Copy.
Got job data released today, right?
Yeah, we had a couple news things come out today. We had 8:30 news, the jobs claim. 9:45 we have news as well, the S&P Global PMI, and then at 10 o'clock existing home sales. So 2 more news events today, so that should definitely move the markets. 9:45 and 10 o'clock. Not going to be in trades around those times.
You said what?
We have news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock.
Oh, we won't be trading around those times then.
Yeah, I'm not going to be in, that's for sure.
Okay.
Let me pull up
Market
my...
takes like a little quick little dip. You want to try like a little short or anything?
We'll see. I'm gonna take what the market gives us today. All I can do.
Right.
Yeah, the audio sounds really good. Listening to my stream now.
You're just putting it back to yourself, man. That's awesome.
Good morning, Steve. Good morning.
Good morning.
We have
new
new
tripping out.
Okay, we have news at 9:45, news at 10 o'clock as well.
Yep.
So let's be careful around those time frames.
We got it.
Were you able to get on your account?
Yeah, it just refreshed magically. I think that the guy that the union guy that sometimes throws a switch an hour late took a couple of hours and it just resolved itself.
Okay.
But but I'm here, I'm good, and then I'm telling jokes, so you better laugh once in a while, right?
Oh, I'll always laugh, Steve. I'll always laugh. And no, I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at the joke.
Right. Steve, you always got something, man. Trust me. The last couple of days you wasn't in when you didn't show up, I was like, man, it's kind of like boring. I didn't hear Steve with this little joke.
Yeah, I don't crack as many jokes. I try to be entertaining, but I'm not an entertainer, I guess. What can I say? I'm a trader. My apologies.
No.
We make money, that's it.
That's
Facts. Facts.
facts.
Dave will probably be on tomorrow.
Yeah,
if
you
he
say
gets
he's coming back into town.
Yeah. One more minute before market opens. One more minute. I want to see if we drop through that 200 level.
Watch this shit.
We're going to see.
It probably go up. It probably may go up though.
Hey, we got that pivot point up there at the 280 level. So we're going to see. Either way it goes, we're going to make money today. That's all I know.
That's it.
He's scared of the Nasdaq. Come on.
Jordan's scared of the Nasdaq. He shouldn't be. It does move. It's not slow like all the other stuff out there.
It moves like lightning. Well, you can lose 500 in seconds.
Yeah, but you can make 500 too in seconds.
You're right.
That's why I know you have your own strategy. But the strategy that I showed G and everyone in the community, that's why I based it around the Nasdaq. Because we need the movement and the speed of the Nasdaq to really make the money and hit those trades that we want to hit.
It's up and down.
Market's open. Market is officially open.
Yeah, it's dancing.
I'm not jumping in just yet. I'm gonna wait. I want to see if we break through the 200 level. To be honest with you.
And then like the VWAP is up near the 300 level. I know I got kind of the ghetto VWAP.
Yep, 295, 295.
Mine was saying 99, but it just runs a little off. But that's all right.
It runs like me. I'm a little off some days too. So, all right, we're pushing through. Let's see if we get through that 200 level.
Oh my God, that's still dropping.
Waiting. All right, there's the 200 level. That whole number. Not jumping in just yet. Not going to jump in. because I'm sure the Bulls are going to want to bring this up somewhat. But now I'm going to wait for a solid bear flag.
See, feels it right there.
This is why you don't go short just because you see it going down like that. The Renko bars will let us know exactly what's happening.
Beat me. Rico's a heartbeat.
Yep.
You know, my teacher taught me that.
You must have a really good teacher.
He don't spell slides too good though. No, I just
that's called Steve. That's called Florida Public Schools. Okay, Florida Public Schools for you.
No, here's the deal with that. If you have it, you just like insert edit a new slide over that. That presentation's pretty damn tight.
Well, I'll probably do another one just because each time I do it, it gets better. So. All right, gentlemen. I'm waiting to tame the lightning, as Jordan calls it. Going to try catching a bottle today, actually. So we'll see if I do it or not.
What? Another $2,000 day will be good.
Hey, I won't be complaining. I won't be complaining.
2,400? Oh, shit, man. Listen. Wow, that's crazy. That opened my eyes yesterday. Whoa. on that one trade I did, I thought it was when it did that big dip. That was like $600-700 like right there. I was like,
yeah.
Oh my gosh.
How many contracts were you trading?
I forgot.
1, 2. Well,
probably
21.
Be careful.
22.
We just eclipsed that opening candle right there.
Yeah,
so bulls are stepping in. We have the pivot point at the 280 level. I feel like that pivot point and that wick, they want to get touched. Let's see if we build out a bull flag now. I'm waiting only because we got news at 9:45. So I'm in no rush today and 10 o'clock. I want to give this market some time to figure out what it wants to truly do.
Yeah, it's all over the place right now.
You know?
Like up and down.
It's acting like lightning. It's up, it's down, it's everywhere.
Grease lightning.
Because people that went long on that candle, oh, the market's going up. Right now, they're in drawdown. So this is why we try to wait.
I like how you're that's honest, okay? I like how you're softening it. You're like, we try to wait now, as opposed to we wait.
I'm evolving. What can I say? For the most part, I have been waiting till 9:45.
Yeah,
but
the other part's the most.
Other part we've been doing it. I ain't gonna lie, we've been the early.
The early's just not consistent enough. That's the whole thing.
Like, remember from what yesterday when I told you, like I've been looking like at the beginning, and I've been seeing that trend, so like a downtrend for the past 3-4 days. Right when that market opens, drops.
Just waiting here. Just waiting.
And you have your doodle lines. I see them, so you're to be commended on that.
Thank you. Try to have them already on the chart before we even start trading these days. We got that buying pressure trying to step in right there.
Yep.
Is it going to be enough? We got that pivot point right up there at that 280 level. I'm tempted to go
279, 280.
I'm tempted to go long here because I know that pivot wants to be touched, but we're just so up and down right now. I need to see some solid momentum right now for me to want to jump into it.
Okay. Well, you said shit. Well, it look like I'm gonna go to that 279 pivot point.
That's what I'm feeling. But I want to time it just right so I'm not in drawdown too much.
It says, what more? What more? That's 76, 280. Let's go. Let's go.
I'll take that 585 right there. I closed out of that trade. We had that VWAP up top. Didn't want to see a big reaction off of it. 585 in this funded account. Let's rotate to the next one. Let's see how we act now since we tapped that VWAP and that pivot point. Now I'm just going to wait to see how this plays out right here, how the market reacts. But 585 for a quick little trade scalp like that, I'll take it.
So you're looking at, I mean, it just we could have that resistance here. It could build off of it. Okay,
Exactly. That's why I didn't want to stay in that trade.
Oh yeah, with the VWAP right there, definitely not, because like you say, it'd just be like a ricochet. You're like, whoa.
So I'll secure that 585 and keep it moving.
Keep it moving.
Keep it moving. Back below this pivot point here. Reacting off of that VWAP. Let's see how we act now with this pivot point. $215 on that trade. I'm okay with that. Gonna keep rotating today. Because just lock in profits and keep it moving. That's all this is. Not looking for home runs, just consistent profits each and every day. That's all.
But you are going to take a home run, just to be clear.
Oh, if I get a home run, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying I'm not looking for the home run. If I accidentally hit it out the park, I'll take it.
I'll be right back. I'm going to go down to I drive and stand next to a Bentley and claim it's mine from trading. I'll be back in about 20 minutes.
All right, right back down there. Tap that 21 EMA. Tap that 21 EMA. We got 5 minutes before the news drops. I'm most likely now probably going to wait until after the news, a couple minutes after the news here. Only because the news could leak a couple minutes early and the market could move very sporadically. Or with the news coming out, the market will move sporadically because they're in anticipation of the news. So unless we see a big something, I'm gonna have to sit on my hands here, sadly. I want to see a bear flag. I want to hit that 150 level. That's just me. That's just me. I feel like the market wants to keep going down since it's been trending down. So
They lie on these data.
feel like we're getting this bear flag. I want to see it print though on the 2 minute and the 5 minute chart to make me feel like extra confident.
Yeah,
with
confidence
it.
is key.
100%.
It's time for your daily shout out. Are you ready? Because I mean, it's like what you've done, and here is you've really put things out. So it's like you put that vibe out, and we're living the vibe.
Well, I'm glad you guys are able to live it with me because I love this. Like I was turning 35 this year.
Oh my God! Let's stop here. All right. The big 3-5.
The big 3-5.
Oh.
So I'm
do like
thankful.
But just put it this way: I might be a skosh older than you, but it's all right. Age
Yeah.
is just a number.
No, I know that, but I'm just happy I finally found something that I'm truly passionate about. Didn't think it would take me 35 years to find it, but I'm glad I finally found it. Because this isn't work for me.
This is a high point of my day, man. Because like if I'm camping and stuff, I'm like, man, I'm missing this. And then my wife's like, we're gonna get you a laptop so you can get on. I'm like, well, that's cool. We'll have to figure it out. But so she's into it too. She's like, she knows like that I'm committed. So
yeah, I know that would be such a testimony for you too, like out camping, making money.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna be like, yeah, I'll be doing my stuff, and then and I told her, I said, because sometimes she'll work from home and stuff, and I said, just pop in, take a look at it, because she sees the charts and she's like, whoa, it's almost like overwhelming. And I said, just look at the patterns, because I told her about the flags, because she might, she might just have that vibe where she can just visualize something. You know what I mean?
Yep. My girl called out bear flag yesterday. I was on the charts last night because each night I do my charting for our sessions. So the overnight lows at that point, overnight highs, the lows for the day yesterday as well.
Yeah.
And she's like, oh, that looks like a bear flag. I'm like, where? And she pointed it out to me. That's how much I talk about it. News is officially out. News is officially out. So not jumping in. Won't let the market do what it wants to do.
I'm waiting for G. Order filled. Remember that one time you're like, don't take a trade. Order filled.
Yeah, that was funny.
It was like literally like it was like a comedy how it hit just then. Wow.
That's 540 right there.
I know you were extremely quiet. I knew you were doing something over there.
Yeah, he wasn't. He damn sure wasn't laughing at my joke.
540 right there. Woo. Get that 500 right there. Minutes.
560 right there. 560 right there, G. I'm right there with you, boy. You ain't leaving us. You ain't leaving us today.
All right.
So far, up $1,200, over $1,200 for the day. We're going to keep rotating. We're just going to keep the process going.
I'm at 350.
Good job. I hear you in the background, Jordan, over there. Up 350 for the day. Welcome to the party, sir. Where else can you go that you're praised for when you win and you're praised for when you lose? Only here. That's all I can say. Only here. Man. I could be done for the day. It's only 9:47. I could take my $1,200+ and just go on into the sunset today. But I'm not going to do that. Actually, let's get the total so far for the day. Let me get on all these charts. Handy dandy calculator. All right. 585.
We are moving. And then we got more news at 10.
Yep. 560. So up 1360 for the day. It's only been 17 minutes. That's why those news candles, we gotta be careful with them.
Oh yeah.
It's like playing with fire as a child. You're like, hey, don't touch that, bud. It's hot. It's hot, bud. Don't touch that, son. Don't touch that.
Know, as a parent, man, it's like, I've seen both kinds. Like, you gotta guard the stove from the kids, or it's like they just touch it once and they've learned the rest of their life never to touch a stove. So, that's kind of where I'm at, because like you go to some people's house and they have like pool noodles on stuff. It's like, no,
nope.
They just need to learn that it's dangerous and to handle themselves.
Yep. And that's how I operate as a parent as well. Like, because we tell our kids, hey, don't touch the stove. It's hot, whatever. And they don't listen. So when they go near it, like my youngest son, he went over there, grabbed something by the stove, and he touched the actual stove part.
Oh, yeah.
Wasn't it crazy burn? It was just like warming up where it didn't burn him.
Yeah. But it gave him that little shock.
Exactly. And I'm like, hey, bud, next time you're over here by the stove, whenever you see this orange light that's lit up, that means it's hot. Mind you, it was off, but there's a warning sign on it.
Yeah.
So I'm like, if you ever see this, when this light's on, that means the stove is hot. Don't touch it. That kid has never gone over there when that dot's been on. I'll tell you that. Since.
He dreamed of that, man. Yeah, he's like, hey, we're coming up. Are we going to hit that pivot point? What do you think?
We're above the 15-minute range. We're above the 21 EMA. I feel like we will tap that pivot point. Because that pivot point is calling. It's calling. I want to see a bear flag though, or a bull flag.
I'm seeing like that second candle form.
Look at this wick on this 5-minute right here.
Oh yeah.
That long wick where those buyers step right back in.
Oh yeah. That's huge.
So seeing something like that, definitely feel like it could get bullish. Let's doodle real quick.
I'm doodling too.
Hey,
G, you got. Are you doodling, G? He's just busy making money in private. Be like,
I see how y'all doodle. I'm watching. So
G doesn't doodle. He just click. That's it.
G reminds me like that.
My hand is quick on that button. Like,
yeah, and then it's just like one of those '90s rap songs where all of a sudden you're just like 3.5K, and I was like, okay, it's just like out of no, you're like, okay, he just made something. All right.
I was telling G today, because he was getting his funded account active this morning. Yeah, I walked him through a couple steps just to get him through it so he could be ready to trade. I told him as long as he stays consistent for the next 7 days of trading, he could get a payout on the 29th of this month from Tradeify. So that's what he's pushing for. I'm believing for him as well that he's going to get there.
Oh, he's getting there. I believe in him too, man.
Thank you.
And when he gets it, he's taking us out to dinner. That's what he said, Steve. He's taking us all out to dinner with the money he makes from trading.
Man, he said he's gonna DoorDash me some Taco Bell. That sucker. I'm just kidding. No, I'm just teasing. You know, one thing that you said yesterday, Duane, that kind of hit is like the fact that when you hit that trading on your eval, they don't really. There's not like a bell or anything that goes off because they're counting on people just to keep trading, and then you might get past that amount and you might trade it back. So
and blow it up.
So that was a really interesting revelation because I almost figured it'd be like more automatic.
Yeah, nope.
But they got you in for that mentality, so it's like a casino. Hey, put more money in, evaluate some more, and then it's like clever.
What's helped me, I'll be real with you guys. What has helped me tremendously, because when I first was trying to learn how to trade over the past year, before the strategy I put together, I was blowing up so many evals. So many evals. Evals, funded accounts. And it was because I had the thought process, this isn't real money. You know what I'm saying? Like, to me, only putting in $44 or 175 total to trade, that's not big money for me, at least, for an investment. You know, $175 for an investment, that's not a lot. And then with the evals, with one of the companies, it was like $33 an eval. You know, so you could blow through those because it's $33. I just won't get coffee a day type deal. You know, something like that. But once I transitioned my mindset into realizing this is real money, and the way you trade in your evals, the way you will potentially trade in your funded account, that's when I realized I had to become more disciplined with the trading.
Because I've actually read that, you know, kind of on the internet. There's some people that are like, they think of it as play money, and then when they get an actual funded account, it's almost like they have writer's block because they're like, oh, you know, it's so like, you know, to make it more natural and understand, so you're not like getting yourself all psyched up when you make the move into, you know, the funded.
Yeah.
Listen, cousin, I'm chilling. I'm at 540. I'm chilling.
Yeah, G's chilling. I hear him in the background. He's chilling. He had 580 a day. He's chilling. He just made 580.
You know how much I got to make 540 just driving?
How much? How many trips is that for you, G?
Shit, that's gonna be like at least 20.
Woo. I know G is thankful that he helped me out back in June.
I say that. I was like, listen, I'm glad I ran this way when I picked him up. I said that's why it's kind of blessing when I do this. Who I'm running to. I've been running to people that I worked with. We did security together back then. So
no, I'm happy for you, man. I'm happy for you.
We are, but we're all very happy for you.
Yeah.
And then you met Duane, and then all of a sudden Steve shows up with his crazy voice on your line. It's like,
So Steve's actually a cool person, man. So I'm kind of glad I'm in here.
Thank you.
Everyone that's joining the community, they're being vetted. Like, I'm not letting just fugazi people into the community, because for me, this is, how do I put it? This is a family, I would say, where we want to see everyone win. You know, there's certain people that their mentalities, their mindsets won't work with my mindset. And if it won't work with my mindset, it won't work with you guys, because we're all under the same type mindset. We all want to win. We want to see the people around us win. And we're not judging if someone wins before us.
Yeah. No, man.
because that just lets us know we're next up. That's the best part about this. All right, we had that bear flag play out. I want to see another one here. I'll most likely take it. I was waiting for a better poll for us to build off of. I didn't like the previous poll, so that's why I wasn't trying to take it. We have not broken out of the 15-minute range yet. We have news in 4 minutes. News in 4 minutes.
Breaking under 200. Are we gonna get up to 181?
How I just close it at 360 and lost $60. That's crazy.
Oh, you know what I've seen is like it's very like the latency because it's like it's moving so much. You gotta be careful and just like this.
No, I know. Like yesterday or the day before, I was slipping almost on like every trade for my closes, at least like 40, $50.
Yeah.
That's how quick the market was pushing back up. Buyers trying to step in here. Are the bears going to keep this price down? We broke out. I didn't even see my 2-minute chart right there. We broke out of the 2-minute, 15-minute range, but popped right back into it. So with that being said, I'm going to hold. Let's see if we get some more structure. We got news in 2 minutes. Actually, I'm not taking a trade. News in 2 minutes. News in 2 minutes.
Yeah,
Not worth.
That 5-minute candle will close right at that time.
And actually, I gotta wait anyways because with Take Profit Trader, you can't trade news events. So I had to wait 1 minute after 10 o'clock to place another trade with them.
So if you tried, it would just lock you out?
No. So the money you would make off trading the news won't go towards getting a payout.
Okay. So,
that's what it Take Profit. That's not Tradeify.
Yeah. No, it's just interesting to hear all the different things.
The bears want to push.
All three of the 1, the 2, and the 5 are all gonna change. All gonna clear at the same time. That'll be interesting.
Back into that 15-minute range once again. We popped out of it a little bit further this time. Less than 30 seconds for the news to come out here. I want to see that 150 level get swiped because we got a pivot point all the way down at 73. All right, news is out. News is out. Gotta wait 30 more seconds before I can even attempt to trade here. Got down 156. Want to swipe that 150 level. Bull stepping in here trying to push this price back up.
They going up.
Let me log in. This may not even be a news event that I have to stay out of, actually. check their calendar. And honestly, it's always gonna wait for the news to break, let it settle, and then take your trades anyways. But calendar. Okay, so technically I could have traded because on Take Profits calendar today was not the big news day for them. So, back to that 21 EMA. All I can say is be careful, gentlemen. This market is all over the place. We love the movement, though. We love the movement. $300 right there. I'll take that. Puts my total for the day at 1660. No complaints there. Gonna rotate to the next one. Yesterday I did, what was yesterday? Yesterday was a $7,000 day. So I'm just hitting the small home runs, not being greedy. That's what's helped me a lot these days, not being greedy. So that's just me. Can't talk about you guys. I can only talk about myself. Let's see. Take profit. That's my pro. We got that VWAP sitting above us. What level is that at? At the 70 level, we have the VWAP pivot point at the 79 level. Let's see if we get a nice little bull flag. I want to see a textbook setup right now.
Back up.
I'll take that 660 right there. We'll take that one through that pivot point, not pivot point, through the VWAP. Pivot point's at the 79 level. Let's rotate to the next one. Want to see how we react once we hit that pivot point. Oh, is that my water guy? I will be right back, gentlemen.
All right.
We'll leave the light on for you. Pivot point. Just chilling right at that pivot point, man.
Right. Right above it, right?
Woo! Your boy's back. What did I miss? Oh, we're still in the same area. All right, we're good.
It touched it. It touched the pivot point, but
But the seller stepped in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it blasted that one. The seller stepped in. Then it was like this candle like touched it, went back down. So maybe we'll get some resistance and a flag.
We'll take it.
A bull flag, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Get some more water today. We'll take it. We'll take it. For me personally, I want to push through this pivot point. Just so that way we know we're going to keep trending up.
Yeah, because right now it's just a textbook resistance right now.
Even when we break through the pivot, we got to push past it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because you could see on that one wick, it went all the way up and then it like shotgunned it back.
Even 2,000 so far for the day. We'll take that. All right, through that pivot point.
Now it's kind of being support right now.
Let's see what we get here because we have the high of that 15-minute range right above us at the 290 level. 290 level. So, want to see us break through that because that could act as resistance as well.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm just going to patiently wait here.
You're ready to doodle just in case.
Always ready to doodle.
Yeah, do you know who Terrell Green is online?
No.
He's like on Facebook. He does like reaction videos.
Okay. I probably know his face.
Oh yeah, it's always like he needs some milk, like on the thing, and it's like anyway, like he did like a custom videogram for my wife. I paid him to do it. It's pretty funny.
Nice.
She thought it was AI. I'm like, no, that's really him. It's like damn AI.
So that the higher that 15-minute range of that pivot,
And then
acting as resistance. We're back below that pivot point.
Yeah, and then the VWAP is like right there, just like on the other side. So it's just,
Yep. We're just bouncing right now. We do have these wicks on the bottom of the candles on that 5-minute right there, looking at that with the buyers trying to step in, but these sellers are holding strong right now. So
like on the 1 minute, it's like the hyphen candle. Like you can't even really make out the color unless you kind of look.
yeah. We have the all right, there we go.
All right.
Just broke out of the 15-minute range. Let's see if we pull back slightly to it, tap it so we can keep going up.
Now we got that whole number to mess with. It's like you get to one hurdle and then the next.
Hey.
Well, it's like a video game or something. You go to the next boss. Are we gonna get a nice bull flag out of the deal?
Hopefully. I'm getting ready to close this trade and re-enter. And let me close that. Right back in. I didn't wait for the pullback, which I said it. Wait for the pullback. I didn't even wait. So that one's on me.
Go back up though, right? It's gonna look like it's about to touch the pivot point again.
Yep. It's going. I want to see if it bounces off the pivot to keep going up to give us a bull flag here. That's what we're currently waiting for.
Ooh.
You see, I'm waiting for flags, and you're taking trades, you monster. I'm just teasing.
All right, tap that pivot point. Let's see how we react now. Down, tapping the VWAP, almost tapped it. Let's see what we get here. Take that 680 right there. Clean up this account. Gladly take that. Still not having that breakout yet that I want to see. High from yesterday at the 2019 level. 2019. The Bears are trying to keep this price in this 15-minute range right here. They don't want it going up because they lose this 15-minute range. We could definitely start trending up slightly here. There you go, G. This is your song right here.
People like popped on right now, they'd be like, "What in the world is going on?"
Is this trading or is this karaoke here? What's going on?
G's gonna be driving somebody and he's gonna be humming a dun, 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 dun. They're gonna be like, "What tune is that?" It's like, I don't know, man, but it's in my head.
Buyers are trying to step down.
The battle's real right now. The battle is real. Got this flag printing on the 2-minute chart. Got a bull flag printing on the 2-minute chart.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, the one, and then like it's resolving in a 2. So
Target I'm looking for right now would be the 338 level. 338. Let's see, are they going to get the explosion? The Bulls want to have an explosion right here. That's what we're consolidating.
I know. Like in my mind, I think of it like a spring. You know what I mean?
Yep.
It's like
Almost tapped the 319 level from yesterday. I want to see that 338 level get hit.
Buyer, as soon as that thing go down, the buyer's like,
yeah.
Not today. That's what they're saying. Not today.
Hey.
Close out that with some profit. We're stalling right here. I don't like being trade when it's consolidating.
Now, my teacher says not to trade in the chop. Have you listened to what he says? Are you implementing it?
I do. That's why I got out of that trade, because I was just in chop consolidating.
We're resting right at 323.
Yeah. Seller stepped in on that one. I was holding, but I closed that one. Not sitting around for that. Let me rotate to the next one. It is only coming up to 10:30. That's awesome.
We're gonna get the momentum we need to go through this now.
Hopefully.
I'll take that a quick 150.
You gotta figure out what's a good day for you,
I
man.
see you. I got out of that, but I stayed. I was a little patient. It shot back up.
More power to you. Not me. I'm like, nope. I'll cut my loss. I'm learning how to fold them faster so I could get back in on a good trade.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at that rip. The overnight high is at 69. 69 for the overnight high. Let me check. That's cool. Right back down through that close from yesterday. I want to see some flags. Just me. Just me.
Gonna go through that EMA. What are you thinking?
Looking at the 2-minute, I feel like we're going to come down and tap the high of that 15-minute range. And then we'll see how the market reacts if we come down and actually tap it.
I no yawning on this call.
My bad, my bad, my bad.
Yeah, and here's the thing: like we buy like bulk coffee. It started during COVID when people were going crazy,
Mhm.
and needless to say, like our bulk coffee shipment has been delayed. So
That's
it's
not
like
good.
that's not good. So I did have some like rise mushroom coffee, which is like it's like all right, but it doesn't have the same like kick.
Yeah.
I have that. I have it. I like it though. It's good. It's pretty good.
I no, gee, I like it. I do like it, but it's like when it's like the only thing, it's like I feel like like pour like a shot of bourbon in it to like wake me up. No, but I mean it's good, but it's just different. So it's like I'm craving my.
I'll close that. Not even gonna hold. Not even gonna hold it. I'll take that little $1,000 right there. I'll take that. I'll take
Money coming.
that. Let's see. Does that? I was trying to do something. I think that does. Let's see. Where's that account? I did it once again, boys. Did it once again. Mama, there goes that man. So now I have to decide. This is a tricky thing when you trade multiple prop firms and have too many accounts to try and manage sometimes. On this account, I just took a payout on it 2 days ago. 2 days ago. I can take another payout. I can take payouts on this account each and every day. Do I leave the money in the account to keep building it, or do I take another $1,300 payout from it? That's the question.
Well, didn't you say like if you take the payout, then it affects like your ratio, like you can burn the account quicker or something?
On Tradeify, yes, for that first payout of the 1,500,
Yeah.
I recommend everyone just take the $1,500 so you can see that you produce something from trading. You know what I'm saying?
I agree. I'm ready to be a producer.
So for me, on my take profit account, right now the balance is at like $3,400.
Yeah.
If I take a $1,300 payout, that will still leave me $2,000 a buffer.
Yep.
So that's what
my teacher says, if you don't mind me interrupting, or shall I say rabbi, teacher, he says like take the payout because he's already got like 18 evals that he's already cooking on. And so if he needs to turn it over, cash in hand, boom.
You're right. I'll take the money, and I still have the $2,000 worth of drawdown because with take profit, you have to be above the $2,000 buffer in order to take daily payouts.
Yeah.
So, like, say I drop below the $2,000, taking a bad trade, leaves me at like 1,500. I just have to make $500 more to put me back at the buffer for the daily payouts.
Yeah. So it looks like this EMA is kind of like just like offering resistance on the 1 minute.
That EMA right now is literally sitting at the what's it called? High of that 15-minute range on the 2 minute. I'm closing out all the stuff so I can pull up trading view. So you can see my chart that I'm been monitoring. Let's see here. When it wants to load. But I'm also like, since I have the extra liquidity, I'm not going to take any more trades on it. Let me stop. If I need to see a solid dump for me to want to take another one, because if I add more, I could take a $2,000 payout. We got that pivot point coming. We had the VWAP. We got a lot going on in this area right here.
Oh yeah. Just like right below that, if it punches through, that's gonna hit like another resistance.
15-minute range, 21 EMA, pivot point, VWAP. If we lose the VWAP, I'm definitely going to take a short. Because we lose that VWAP, just push through it right there.
Yeah, just
Let's-
make sure that it.
Yep,
Like,
let's see
drops.
how it reacts.
Let's see a waterfall.
I love waterfalls. There we go. Quick 460 right there. I'll take that. I closed it. Quick 460. Yeah, I'm done trading this account for today. I'm going to take the money and run. And it's only 10:39. Man, every single day, it's crazy. Like, you would think like I haven't been trading for the past year consistently, because every day I'm amazed at how, I can't say easy, how quickly we can all make money that could change a lot of people's lives.
Yep.
Let's see what that balance is going to be on. So let's see. Oh, that's so tempting. That's too tempting, to be honest with you. Okay. So I'll literally be able, I'm just going to do it just to do it. Take the money and run. I'm going to take an $1,800 payout from Take Profit tonight.
Nice.
And guess what? We get to come back tomorrow and do it all over again.
Yes.
Gee, how you doing over there? You got real quiet over there.
Good.
You still up for the day, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's all that matters.
Baby.
How's Jordan doing? Trading the Lightning a day.
I'm done. I only made 350.
I couldn't really hear him. What did he say, G?
He said he made 350 and closed it.
Hey, that's what it's about. That's what it's about. Making money and coming back the next day. That's it.
Yeah, and it fit quick. Glad I jumped out.
That's awesome. Gee, so what has Jordan said about the our strategy?
I showed
Oh man, see, if I should have just stayed in, it's still waterfalling. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'll take my $1,800 payout today. What would that put me on? And then next week I'm taking a Tradeify payout. Not bad, not bad. Once I take that Tradeify payout, let me make sure my calculations are correct. In payouts for this month, just about $7,000 for the month.
Nice.
We'll take. I'm trying to buy a boat at the end of the year, or the caddy. So, gotta stack this paper.
Yeah. Coming up that VWAP and then area, and then kind of like, okay, heading down.
Steve, do you have Zelle or Cash App?
I don't know what that is. I have Zelle through my
Okay.
credit union.
Okay. Well, gee, I know you have Zelle. I'm feeling generous today, boys. Can I send y'all some money so you could get another eval account today
Yeah.
for y'all?
sure.
And you guys could trade it however you like, but I'm just feeling good today. I want to send y'all some money so you could get another eval or two. Only if that's okay with you gentlemen.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Is Jordan trading with his own money or through a prop firm?
His own money.
Okay. More power to him. Better than me. I ain't doing that.
Robinhood don't let you do that.
Huh?
I use Robinhood.
Okay. Well, Steve, I'm gonna send you guys money. Steve, if you could just text me your Zelle information. I already have G's. I'm gonna send y'all some money so you guys can buy another eval today.
All right. I mean, I'm just got to concentrate on this flag.
No, you're good. You can do it at any time. It doesn't have to be right now.
All right.
Well,
Cool.
when you send it to me, I'm gonna send you the money to get an eval with Tradeify.
Appreciate that, Dwayne. Thank
Yeah,
you.
seriously.
No, of course.
Humbling.
Feel like it's going up now.
I don't
Hey,
care
man,
what it
good
does,
point.
G. Your boy's done. I'm sitting back. 3K plus day. This is looking like a serious bear flag. Just so you guys know. Looking at the 2 minute as
Oh, yeah.
well.
The 2 minute has it right there.
Yeah. That's a bear flag all day, every day. And if you take it, you about get paid. But be careful. Watch for the momentum. Time your entries.
I'm looking at the Renkos and it's just kind of chopping. So, like,
Yep.
let's get some action.
There we go. We're clearing. The Bulls don't want to drop, but the Bears want to take this lower. Let me go get some water real quick. No, this is not a stall tactic for me not taking a trade, Steve. I'm literally dehydrated. I need water. I'll be right back.
He wants to get like the water from the the filter downstairs. You understand?
man, I didn't miss anything. That's crazy.
The market's waiting for you.
Hey, I appreciate the wait. Actually, I'm gonna send you guys money for 2 evals. Actually,
Okay.
because just put it in here. So I'm like, no, with the current discount they had, it's only $30. We could get 2 apiece. We're good.
All right.
Hey G, your phone should be going off here any second. The Zelle has been sent to you, sir.
All right. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Thank you, man.
No, of course, man. We all win when we win. That's it.
Yes.
Steve, for you, is it connected to your phone number? Do you know?
I don't know. I'm going through right now.
Okay.
If I put in your phone number, I can get it. So can you just give that to me?
I'll text it to you because
Oh, yeah.
I'm not putting that out on
Come
stream
on.
for the YouTube universe to hear.
Oh my goodness! I forgot we're live. We're live.
Oh
Hang on,
man, that's awesome. Hey, I'm glad I caught myself. You know what I'm saying? Like,
actually, I could get it here. Hang on, I got it.
just texted you the number, my number.
Ladies and gentlemen of the world.
Start getting random calls. A guy commented on my YouTube yesterday, like, "Hey, I'm very poor. Can you send me some money since you're making a lot of money trading?"
Yeah, it's like teach a man to fish. You don't give it. See, that's it.
And that's literally what I said. I'm like, no, I'm not going to give you money, but I can show you my strategy so you can fish for yourself. Literally, that's what I said. I gotta call the furniture store. They have not reached out to me yet for my couch delivery. I need my couch.
All right. Ended up getting those 2 evals. Appreciate you.
No, of course, man. I appreciate you.
It's making me put in a number, so I put in $1 million.
You can't just.
It's because it's through the bank. It doesn't have all the functionality. So, well, you can at least find it there, and then you can I'll take 20 million cash. I'm just
I
kidding.
got you. When it's in my account, I'll transfer it to you. But it's currently in my savings to my checkings, and it's like a
I just get
365-day process. So
yeah. For real, man. It's like I'm humbled by you giving us the eval accounts because it just shows the spirit of the group. You're lifting us because to be honest with you, I'm not used to like taking like a any kind of help, and so but it humbles me because you believe in us, you believe in the system, you've seen we're faithful, and you've heard G sing that one song, so all that together adds up.
that it does. That it does. Um, no, like I know what trading can do for everyone. You know what I'm saying? So for me, if I could help, especially our community win, that's what this is about.
Yep.
You should receive that. See if I just sent it.
Yeah, I'll check in just a second.
Yeah, you're good. I know it was sent, so my part is done. Yeah, cool. If Dave was on, he would have gotten an eval too, but he wasn't on today. So you guys show up each and every day to learn this skill, and that's what it takes to be successful at it. So we'll take it. All right, so pop back up there. I'm honestly done trading for the day. I don't think there's more that I can do, but I gotta sit on my hands at this point only because gotta lock in the profits, pull and put the money in the bank account, so to speak. So
I talked you out of it. Now I feel bad because you were like you could have been balling even more.
eh, for me, I'd rather be consistently balling than just balling on one day. I want the consistency. That's all this is about for me. Consistently winning, hitting good trades, consistently. When I get my next payout from Tradeify, that's when I'm gonna be like super, super proud of myself. Because normally I just turn and burn the account, get the payout, blow it up, get another one, pass it, repeat the process. But with the ones now with Tradeify, I'm trying. Oh yeah, I forgot I got other Tradeify accounts. But I said I'm done trading. I had to catch myself there. This is looking like a bull flag on the 1 minute, just so you guys know.
Yeah, I just came back to the screen, so I just went ahead and nailed those two.
Awesome.
So thank you again.
No, of course.
Put that promo code in, right?
AUG.
Yep.
That's yeah. I mean, that was the name of my second album, AUG. West Side.
Sellers trying to step in here. Got these wicks on top of these candles on the 2 minute chart.
I'm gonna do some doodling.
Yep. Got that pivot point below us.
Yeah, it's interesting because you have the pivot point there. Yeah, right. You know, if it punches through that, obviously you have VWAP.
Yep.
And then it just like.
Yeah, we got a lot of noise below us. Higher the 15-minute range. 21 EMA. Pivot point, then the VWAP. So a lot of stuff going on in this small little area that either we need to
Yeah.
push up and get away from it, but above us we have the close from yesterday's close. So we're just in this little channel right here.
Yeah, it's kind of like it's like almost like a yard with trains in it or something. All these different tracks going through, and it's like whoa, these little stops.
Yeah. I gotta actually reach out to Tradeify to see how I can actually gift actual evals. Because that would be cool. Just being able to send someone an eval.
Oh yeah. Just like give them like a link or something.
Or like have a code or something that they type in for a free eval.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to email them, see what they talking about, and tell them we have a thriving trading community that I want to gift free evals to. Looking like on that 1 minute, it's looking like a bull flag on the 1 minute. But want to see some confirmation on the 2 and the 5 just to make it cleaner.
Well, it's like I find myself sometimes, and that's like it's my fault, but I'm kind of looking for the quintessential flag, and then I'm just kind of like missing the news. So it's like, one of the things I'm trying to break free of that, and then and then interpret more. You know what I mean? Because we haven't got a lot of pretty flags. I mean, they're all pretty if you make money, but you know what I mean. The text.
Yeah. No, I get it. I get it. Let's see.
That 2-minute chart is pretty interesting right now.
Yep. Looking like it's trying to give us a bull flag. We have a minute left on that candle.
That's another thing that I catch myself wanting the candle resolve a certain way, and like I shouldn't be wasting brain power like willing a candle, you know, just interpret, go. You know what I mean? I'm telling on myself a little bit, but it's all right.
Coming back down to the high of this 15-minute range, prepared just in case if this wants to do a waterfall through that pivot point. I may have to add $200 more, take a 2K payout. All right, back into the 15-minute range right there. Getting ready to tap the 21 EMA. All right, through the 21 EMA, we just tapped it. New candle just printed on the 2-minute chart. Through the pivot point. Let's see how we react down here.
Yeah, because now we got the pivot, and then we got the junction with the VWAP. So.
Yep. No. Sit on my hands. Sit on my hands. Right back down to that pivot point. Through the pivot.
It's pretty, you know, at this point, I feel like it's going to test the VWAP, whatever.
We have to.
That. Yeah.
All right. Tapping the VWAP right there. Through the VWAP. Are we going waterfall? It took everything in me not to take that trade right there. Not gonna lie.
I'm impressed. I mean, I'm wondering if your internet is down. No, I'm teasing.
This is an area right now where we had a lot of support the last time we came down.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 1 minute, and you know, kind of just seeing that support. It's kind of that area. It's like almost like an area of resistance where it kind of settles.
Maybe we get another push up just slightly back to that pivot point, and then we use that pivot point to bring us lower.
Either that or the VWAP. We could do either.
Yeah.
That 1 minute bear flag is looking pretty nice.
Yeah, it's looking nice. It is. I just on the 1 minute we'll always see a lot of different flags. I just
Oh,
like
yeah.
the higher time frames.
Oh, I know. I'm just saying. Now we're starting to see it on the 2 minute. So
Yeah. Want to see on the 2 minute, push back up to that VWAP, use that as resistance, keep us heading down. Because I'm all for another $1,000 trade on this account, so I can take out like 2,800 instead of 1,800 a day.
yeah,
I'm
why
all
not?
for that.
Yeah, there we go. We're heading up. Come on.
Yep.
He's quiet. When he gets this quiet, he's in the middle of something.
He's probably just talking to Jordan.
I can't even hear breathing. All right. I mean, I'm saying he's quiet right now.
Yeah, I'm watching. I'm here.
I know. I'm just making a little fun of you, but it's it's a brother, so forgive me.
Yeah, I'm just
When you
making
get that
fun of you. That's awesome.
When it gets that quiet over in the G household, I'm like, okay, it sums up.
All right, let's see. Are we going to start coming down to town? Something. Not a bad week, though. So far for this week, it will be 3 payouts this week. So we'll take that. All right, the 2-minute bear flag is playing out now. And there she goes. That's a textbook bear flag on the 2-minute chart, fellas.
Yeah.
I mean, textbook. Look at that flag. Pole comes down, pushes up, and now we're going to keep coming down. It does not get cleaner than that. Right down to the middle of the 15-minute range right there. Proud of myself for not taking any trades because the temptation is real. The temptation is real. Well, gentlemen, I'm actually going to get off the stream because I'm so tempted to get back in the markets right now. Where
Yeah,
I need
this way you could trade and then say, oh, by the way, after I got off, I jump back on. And then
No,
I'm just teasing.
Not today. I'm just going to lock the profits in, come back tomorrow for another day.
All right, tomorrow it is. All right, gentlemen.
All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right. Later on. Thank you again.
All right. No, of course. For everyone watching on the YouTube stream, appreciate you tuning in today. Glad you came. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.